I read synthetic, but I found out that this is synthetic blend media. Bastards. So after reading this crap, I've decided, let me go to my garage and open the filter, used filter that I have, and let me see what kind of synthetic blend media is. What does that mean? Well, so I've opened the filter, Purolator One, and now I'm draining the cartridge, and when it drains, when the oil stops dripping out of it, I will try to cut the media out and see what it is made of. So I drained the cartridge and I opened the damn thing, and what do you think this is? This is just paper. This is a regular paper, and they call it what they call it, a media blend. Yes, bastards. And all those years I kept buying them, considering them the best filter. Hate them.